Philinvest, the builder of Filipino dreams, has crafted another dream come true for urbanites. High-rise living in a city where success and winners thrive. At the heart of the country's undisputed business district, Makati, bounded by major roads Hilpuyat Avenue, EDSA, and South Luzon Expressway, where everything is within arm's reach, commercial establishments, schools, hospitals, and recreational centers. This is where you can master time and conquer life. At your home at 100 West. The alarm clock rings, yet there is no need to rush. Open the drapes and take in the sunshine. There's nothing like the sun-kissed views of the city to jumpstart your day. Step into your spacious living room and lounge a little, because you can afford to. InSpace is masterfully crafted to give that extra special touch to everyday moments and simple pleasures. And enjoy a homemade breakfast best shared with those you treasure the most. Now, you're ready to face the day ahead, supercharged and revitalized. Work is just a leisurely walk away. No hassle, no traffic, no time wasted on the road. So you can focus on your goals, devote more time on your career, and be more productive. Less all the stress and worry. Because we value your time as much as you do. Midday, you deserve some downtime. Have a well-deserved break over gustatory delights from the community's wide selection of dining treats and choices. At the end of the day, options for dynamic living await.
Shockwave Sound.
Together with your friends and family, take a step toward a healthy lifestyle. Put your feet up for some well-deserved family bonding by the lounge. Indulge in a sunset dip at the pool area or simply laze around on the sun decks. The kids have their share of fun and frolic too. Enjoy a game of tag at the greens or a quiet storytelling session at the Kids Central. For a little more peace and quiet, there's the study hall, where you can enjoy a good read over caffeine concoctions. For a nightcap, nothing beats taking in expansive views of the city lights by the view deck. After all, you're living the coveted high-rise lifestyle right at the heart of Makati. This is a typical day at 100 West. From sunup to sundown, it's all about convenience, comfort, and accessibility. Because everything you will ever need to live, work, and play is under one roof. Discover the perks of complete high-rise living at 100 West Makati, so you can master time and conquer life.